Hi there, Simon Mackey from WWD here. Today I'm going to show you through some of Camtasia's features. So here you can see I've got Camtasia open. I've recorded a quick test screencast. So we can see that playing here in this window top right, which is actually our canvas. You can see we've got some elements here. We've got the webcam recording. We've got a recording of my screen, and there was also a thought bubble that appeared earlier, and I'll show you how to insert that a bit later. So now that I've recorded my screencast, I might want to do a little bit of editing. So this is the editing screen here. So as I said, top right here we've got the canvas, so I can zoom in and out on that and can see the different elements there. We've got our media here on top left, so we've got the recording itself. We've also got the thought bubble overlay, and we can also record another recording, and we can also import some media. So I'll just show you how to import some additional media. If I wanted to add a bumper to the start of my movie, I can do that by clicking on this import media button here, and then if I import this bumper, you can see this the bumper video has been added up here. So if I just right click on it and then say add timeline playhead, I get another track added down here. So here are all my tracks in the movie. So I've got the recording of the screen itself, recording of my webcam, the thought bubble there, and I've also got this bumper. So we'll just drag that back to the beginning, and then I'll also select both of these so I do them at the same time and push those out. Now if I play the video from the start, we should see that the bumper's been added. I need to push these ones. Back a little bit further. I could also add a transition in, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. So there we go, we've got the bumper in. So you can see that editing is just a matter of dragging and dropping. There's various other things we can do in the editor as well. We can reposition elements. So if I select, for example, just the webcam, I can then move it around. I can also rotate it. I can select two tracks at the same time, so I can lock them together. Can move my main element here. As I said before, I've got this thought bubble, so I can put my thought bubble wherever I like, and I can move it around in the timeline so it only appears for a certain amount of time. So if I wanted to make it look like I was thinking about something, I can add a thought bubble in there. There's other tools that we can look at in here as well. So we've got the media here that we were looking at before. So I've got my bumper, the recording of my screen, and the thought bubble. We've also got a library of tools. So here we have the library of different text, arrows, that kind of thing. So all pretty handy stuff, and that's where I got my thought bubble from. If we look down here, we've also got some additional options we can look at. We've got some tools we can apply to the audio in the track. So we've got audio fade in and out, clicking reduction. So if you've got a lot of key presses, that can be a bit handy to have the clicking reduction. Also the mouse clicks, you can get rid of them. You've got custom audio actions, raise volume, lower volume. You can also change the pitch of the recording. We've got various different video effects we can do here as well. Fade in and out, fly in and out. Got color adjustments, colorize, drop shadows, glows. Smart focus, which lets you zoom in on a particular element of the screen. Zoom in and out, spins, those kind of things. So all pretty handy stuff. So that's a quick look through Camtasia. The difference between it and Jing is definitely the editing capabilities you have, and while you could take the video from Jing and put it into an editing suite, just in terms of how easy it is to do things that are particularly suited for screencasts, for me, I think Camtasia is definitely worth the additional cost.